guys are doing great and staying safe at home. This is Darsha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So after a really long time, I'm back with yet another video. I hope you all missed me, right? I went to a trip to Jaipur and yeah, I have a vlog of that. It will be coming on my channel really soon. So yeah, make sure you subscribe my channel and hit that small bell icon so that whenever I post that video or any other videos, you guys get updated. Okay, so talking about this video, so Raksha Bandhan is just in few days and I thought of starting up with my work and let's do a outfit video. So this is going to be a Raksha Bandhan lookbook videos where I'll be sharing few outfits which you can wear and you can just mix and match your outfits and create a new outfit. And yeah, I'm really excited for this video. I hope you will find something for you. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so starting off with the very first look, I wore this black top which is a kind of a off-shoulder top. It just have one sleeve and just look at this top. It's so cute, it's so sexy. Oh my god, this doesn't fit me really well, so I'm just tucking the excess part of this into my bra to make it kind of a blouse. Then I will be wearing this one sari. This is a printed beautiful sari which has black prints on it, and this is yeah, of like a yellow and an orange mix up color, and yeah, absolutely love this sari. So I will be just draping it normally like a normal sari. I will not be doing any other like a different kind of a drape. It will be a normal drape. And I also wanted to tell you that I wear my sarees on my own. I get a lot of DMs regarding that I don't wear my sarees on my own. No, I do wear my sarees on my own. I know how to drape a saree, and yeah, you can see I'm wearing the saree on my own. I know how to drape, so please don't come in my DMs and ask me if I know how to drape or not. Coming to the pallu, I'm going to make a very thin pallu. The pallu pleats are not going to be very wide. I will be keeping them very thin so to get a sexy sari look. And also, if you can see, I have changed the side of the top. So this side pe sleeves hai, I am going to pin my pallu on that side. I'm just making my pleats and will be pinning it on that side. So yeah. Now once done with the sari drape, I'm going to add some accessories. So I'm just going to wear this black tassel oxidized choker, and yeah, I am not going to add any other accessories because I think this is just adding that bomb to that whole outfit. So yeah, just a choker and few rings and nothing else. And for my hairstyle, I'll be keeping a hair bun, but I'll be removing that hair clutcher. So yeah, this is a kind of a messy bun look, and yeah, this is the whole look. Next look is my personal favorite. I wore this black ruffle sleeves top. This is a very basic top, but it fits me really well. I really like the fit of this one, and also wore this black pants. And now I'm going to add few accessories, and for accessories I will be wearing this black earrings, which is the new piece that I've added to my earring collection. Wearing this black bellies, and now I'm going to add these sunglasses to just add that bomb to this outfit. I love this outfit. Now moving on to our third look, this is going to be a badi behan kind of a look where I am wearing this yellow kurta. She looks so pretty, so beautiful, and this has a beautiful embroidery work on it and paired up with yellow leggings which I recently got from Dimoza brand from Wave Mall. Now I added this yellow dupatta which is of the same kurta set which has the same embroidery work on it, and added these colorful jutis. Oh my god, this looks so pretty on camera. And yeah, just look at this whole look. And for the accessories, I wore a small jhumkas, just a jhumkas and nothing else. And for my hairstyle, I kept a simple ponytail and that's it. And this is the final look. Now for the next look, I am wearing this blue kurta. I love wearing this kurta with different pieces because of this color. It just goes with every outfit. Now this time I paired it up with an orange skirt. This orange skirt was looking bomb with this color, and yeah, I paired up with this skirt. And just look at this skirt. This whole combo is looking so pretty. For accessories, I wore only bangles and nothing else. And for my hairstyle, I just kept a hair bun, a messy kind of a hair bun, and that's it. This is the final look. It was easy peasy lemon squeezy look. Now for the very next and the last look, I wore this black spaghetti top and I paired up with a colorful salwar, and I'm going to do a small DIY with this dupatta. So I'm going to convert this dupatta into a shrug, and what I'm actually doing is I'm just taking both the sides of the दुपट्टा and I'm going to divide this दुपट्टा into a half, and जो half portion पे जो half जो middle वाला आ रहा है वहाँ पे I will be just taking all the sides. Like I think I am able to explain you all. So I just took all the side and I'm just making a knot over there. You can also use a safety pin, but I'm just making a knot. And yeah, this is my shrug. Now these are the sleeves. This is the one sleeve and this is going to be the next sleeve. And yeah, this is a DIY dupatta shrug. Now you can do this small DIY with any of your dupatta. Just follow these steps and your new shrug will be all ready. Now for the accessories, I am just going to add these long oxidized silver earrings, jhumkas, and yeah, this is the final look. For this video, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. The links of all the products, जो भी products के links मुझे मिल पाएंगे, I will make sure to leave them in the description box. And yeah, we'll meet you in my next video. Bye.